Jordan got that look in his eye, it's over.
You are now listening to sounds of DJ P. Cutter.
Yo, I'm a problem with the rock when I got it and I'm controlling it. Wizards was my team, but the Bulls is who I'm rolling with. Between the legs dribble, passing over the shoulder shit. Whoever at the rim when I come, just know it's over with. I can no look, toss it and pass, fade away, or I can alley-oop it off of the glass. Besides that, I'm my own leader. Off the court, I'm a known speaker. Design clothes and rock my own sneakers. I hear a lot of talk, but nigga, I been king. This game ain't only got me some millions, it got me 6 rings. 91 was a tragical moment. Matter of fact, I beat the Lakers, yo, when Magic was on it. 92 was the Blazers, 93 hit was Phoenix. 96 was Seattle, this game it just got me fiending. 97 had the flu and I still was playing the meanest. 98 shot over Brian Russell when he had to eat it.